Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to design a mechanical sleeve using Solidworks. First of all, you have to select front plane and go to sketch and make a circle with 110 millimeter. Also you can make another circle with offset value, reverse offset 20 millimeter. Now you can extrude this sketch up to 20 millimeter. Also select this surface, go to sketch. On this sketch you have to create another sketch of a circle with a diameter of 80 millimeter, and this edge should be converted into converted entities. Now you have to go to features and extruded cut. You can cut this sketch up to 10 millimeter.